HUMBL, the next PayPal, the 100 times growth penny stock. Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video, I'll be talking about a company called HUMBL, what they do, where can you buy their shares, and why I think it has at least 100 times growth ahead. Thank you for joining in, because here we discuss EVs and stocks in general, so we can make better investments for our future. Watch the entire video so you get all the information you need. Firstly, I'd like to address to everyone that HUMBL will be merging with a company called Tesoro Enterprise, ticker symbol TSNP. It is being traded on the OTC, so if you're using, for example, Robinhood, you won't be able to get it. So I would recommend you to start creating a new account in other broker which can offer you this kind of opportunity and even more in the future. Let's now focus on the company itself. HUMBL, what they do. It is quite simple. Imagine PayPal or Venmo, but bigger and better. Why bigger? Because they allow you to use their software everywhere on the whole planet. They have partnership with Digital India Payments, so they have access to India market. They are working in Africa as well. They have been named by Forbes a rising startup to watch in 2020. A month ago, they announced that HUMBL and Bex Bank to pilot expanded high-speed digital payments platform between United States and Latin America. Even more recent news is that HUMBL partners with Cyberbeat to expand into Asia-Pacific and Pan-India vertical markets. Latest news, just a few days ago, they released HUMBL mobile app, and HUMBL Hub's merchant solutions delivered successful pilot transactions between United States and Mexico. What can we take from this? They are really pushing forward with their partners to attract as many customers as they can. They themselves claim they have an addressable market of 7 billion people. They do not focus on 450 million people using Apple Pay, no. They are focusing on the 99% of people who would like to transfer their money fast, safe, and with very little fees, unlike PayPal, which charges you with ridiculous exchange rates and fees as well. Furthermore, HUMBL is comprised of a diverse set of founders, consultants, and advisors with experience at Western Union, MoneyGram, American Express, Visa, Facebook, Microsoft, Epson, and Qualcomm. Which company can offer such a quality of directors? Let me tell you, none. Every single one of them has one of the best working experience you can ever wish for in a startup. So let me tell you something about their CEO, Brian Foote, because we know that CEOs are the main figure of the company. So Brian brings with him 20 years of consumer technology experience, having launched a number of top-ranked global technology products across brand, market research, strategy, and channel sales at companies like Epson, where he was twice named to the CEO Innovators Award for his cross-functional work on consumer technology lineups that went #1 in the world in sales in their respective categories. He is also a former vice president of consulting firm in Silicon Valley and has worked with Fortune 500 clients and merchants like Amazon, Best Buy, Costco, Walmart, and Target to drive channel and merchant product sales. If this does not fill you with confidence, I do not know what will. If you're interested, you can read more information about all of their members on their website. What especially piqued my interest was an article published a few days ago where Tesoro says they persevered to climb over $1 before historical merger with HUMBL. They really want to get onto Nasdaq or NYSE, so more people could buy more of their stock. Since this announcement, the stock did about 24% move up. In conclusion, Tesoro and HUMBL are in definitive merger agreement. Date is yet to be announced, but there is going to be an investor call hosted by HUMBL and Tesoro. What does it mean? It means that they will most likely tell us more detailed information about their merger, therefore hopefully announcing even the date of the merger. News about HUMBL and Tesoro merging are known for about a month, however almost nobody hasn't talked about them yet. But beware of the fact that they do not have any revenue yet. After the merger, they will start their business, and since then they will start generating the revenue. Is TSNP or HUMBL a buy? In my eyes, if you put small amount of money which you can afford to lose completely, then yes, it is definitely a buy. There is such a huge potential in this company, and this penny stock is just getting started. I expect after the investor call that it will get some publicity and people will start flooding in. This company has same if not bigger potential than PayPal. Where I'm going with this? PayPal will have to react to them in some way. Decrease their fees, adapt, expand or acquire this company. Everything will favor HUMBL. I'm very young, so for example, if I put here $200 for 20 cents a share and in 5 years this one stock is going to be worth $100, I'm totally fine with that. And if somehow something terrible happened and I would lose 90% of my investment, it isn't really no big deal because of the small amount of money I put in. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos and click on the thumbs up underneath this video. Both helps me out tremendously. Let me know down in the comment section below what are your thoughts and opinions. Did you buy in this company when price was 2 cents? Are you going to get in? I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in another video.